All right, y'all, what's the deal? It's your boy, Chef Quail. You already know, let me get ready. Boom. How to show. Tricks, you gotta warm up. You gotta get loose. What kind of?
Really dreadful. And I'm saying that to be kind.
So here we have a carrot, green onions, half onion, a knife. That's all you need, all right? So first what we're gonna do is peel this carrot. Isn't that crazy? I said that's all you need and you got to peel the carrot? You don't have to if you don't want to, but. Boom. Now you can throw this in a seafood stock right here. This is money right here, but so we got nice and smooth. Knife. Boom. All right, so this is what I like to do. I feel like this makes it easiest. You cut it. We're going into little, right? So we're going boom. And you don't have to do it like that. You can do a rough chop. It doesn't have to be perfect, but veggie mix made already, this is what we're doing. All right, y'all, so there we have it. Take like in a bundle. But we don't want to squish them. We want them to be nice and fluffy. Let the green onions looking good, right? It was neat, so I just messed it up.
You dirty pig! Get out! Get out!
We're gonna cut the butt off. Taking off too much, but we don't need that much onions. So straight up in there. Your fingers. This is the correct way to cut, because you can't cut yourself this way. Cut them in. All right, y'all, so here we have the onions, the green onions, and the carrots. This is a mandatory in the Benihana Hibachi fried rice, y'all, so we got it in there, all right? The rice isn't 1 day old. I just made it. I just let it cool down. We're gonna break it up. We're gonna add too much water. This is the Botan rice, Cal Rose, California short grain rice. Eat this just like this, boy. And as you can see, this rice is very sticky. That's perfect. That's what we want. Very sticky rice. Usually shorter grains have more starch, so they're a little stickier. Okay, you guys, of course, we got that Chef Quail garlic butter. Look at that, boy. You know we need that garlic butter, and this is a must at Benihana, bruh. See what we rocking with old stuff to the top. What the hell? Look at that, chat. Can I see? It's that Chef Quail Hibachi garlic butter, bruh. Seeds, toasted sesame seeds, salt. Black pepper. All right, y'all, we got 4 eggs, so we're gonna add 4 eggs, and then we're gonna add some shrimp to this fried rice, you guys. So we're gonna make a Benihana shrimp fried rice.
All right, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Cha cha. All right. We get everything situated, get everything together, you know?
The shrimp for the shrimp fried rice, we're not using them little baby ass shrimp either. We got them good size, boy. Also forgot to mention, this might be important, y'all, the safflower oil. Flour oil, boy. Safflower oil, boy. Boy. I got the bowl for him. Boom. Spread that out so it cooks fast, it cooks evenly. That eye hot, boy. This is what that did, boy. Boom. And move that over. Kind of over to the snake. It'll take over inside. The carrots and the green onions, I cut all these too, y'all.
Like with that bowl or whatever it was. The spicy bowl.
Are we gonna add the rice? Yeah, that spicy bowl is fire, y'all. Stop it from cooking, put it right on top of that. And stop it from cooking, put that right on top of it, right? Boom. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. We need to be able to see. Don't forget to add the sesame seeds, alright? Not I. Add the sesame seeds with me, right? Boom. And this how they cooking. If it's busy at Benihana, this how the fried rice should be made, right? Y'all make sure y'all subscribe, like the video. Boom, get them babies.
Compete with somebody, just make it right.
I love it times, you know. Now we got that Chef Quail garlic butter. Boom. A little bit there. And we ain't stingy, alright? A little bit there. Dump it in. Low sodium, high sodium. Alright, that's enough. And then if people want more, they can add it themselves.
Sesame seeds.
Now what we're doing is focusing on this food. Get down, y'all. Get some of them corn sauce, y'all. And you're going to see it. Chat, can y'all see that? If y'all liking the video, if y'all subscribed yet, we need 10 subscribers. And I'm not even gonna act like put it in there, then we'll take it out. That's that Benihana fried rice.